Welcome to another episode of Decor Zone, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Decorating your home with wall-mounted decor pieces offers a unique, versatile, and visually striking way to enhance your living spaces. Walls serve as an expansive canvas within any home, providing the perfect opportunity to express your personal style, create ambience, and transform an otherwise blank surface into a focal point of creativity and design. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, wall-mounted decor pieces also provide practical advantages, allowing you to maximize space, improve functionality, and add depth and character to your interior design. By carefully selecting and arranging wall-mounted decor, you can elevate your home's atmosphere and make it a reflection of your personality and lifestyle. One of the primary advantages of wall-mounted decor is its ability to personalize a space. Your home is an extension of who you are, and wall-mounted pieces allow you to showcase your unique tastes, interests, and experiences. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of unexpected wall-mounted wooden craft ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Whether it's artwork, photographs, or handcrafted items, these pieces can tell a story about your life, your travels, and the things that are meaningful to you. Unlike mass-produced furniture or generic decorative items, wall-mounted decor allows you to curate a collection that feels deeply personal and authentic. This individuality not only makes your home more inviting to you, but also leaves a lasting impression on guests, creating a space that feels both distinctive and memorable. Wall-mounted decor also plays a significant role in defining the mood and atmosphere of a room. The color, texture, and design of wall-mounted pieces can influence how a space feels, whether it's warm and cozy, sleek and modern, or vibrant and energetic. For example, large pieces with bold colors or abstract patterns can add a sense of drama and energy, while softer, more neutral tones can create a serene and calming environment. The ability to set the tone of a room through wall-mounted decor is particularly valuable in spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, and dining areas, where the ambience has a significant impact on how the space is experienced. Another advantage of wall-mounted decor is its ability to enhance the visual balance and proportion of a room. Walls often act as a backdrop to the furniture and other elements within a space, and adding decor to them can help create a sense of harmony and cohesion. A strategically placed piece of wall decor can draw the eye upward, making a room feel larger and more open. This is especially useful in smaller spaces or rooms with low ceilings, where maximizing the perception of space is key. Wall-mounted decor can also help fill empty or awkward spaces, creating a more polished and intentional look. By carefully considering the placement and scale of your decor, you can create a balanced composition that enhances the overall design of your home. One of the most practical benefits of wall-mounted decor is its ability to save space. In smaller homes or apartments where floor space is limited, wall-mounted pieces provide a way to add visual interest and functionality without taking up valuable square footage. Shelving, for example, is a popular type of wall-mounted decor that combines aesthetic appeal with practical storage. By mounting shelves on the wall, you can display books, plants, or decorative objects while keeping surfaces like tables and countertops clear. Similarly, wall-mounted lighting fixtures can free up space on bedside tables or desks, making them a practical and stylish choice for compact living areas. Wall-mounted decor also offers a way to experiment with different textures and materials, adding depth and dimension to your interiors. While walls are typically smooth and uniform, adding three-dimensional decor pieces can create visual interest and break up the monotony. Materials like wood, metal, ceramic, or woven textiles can introduce tactile elements that make a room feel more dynamic and engaging. The interplay between these textures and the surrounding surfaces, whether it's painted walls, wallpaper, or exposed brick, adds another layer of complexity to your design, making the space feel more thoughtfully composed. Another key advantage of wall-mounted decor is its versatility. Unlike larger furniture pieces that may be difficult to move or replace, wall-mounted items can be easily changed, rearranged, or updated to reflect your evolving style or seasonal preferences. This flexibility allows you to keep your home's design fresh and dynamic without requiring a significant investment of time or money. Whether you're swapping out artwork, rotating photographs, or updating decorative accents, wall-mounted decor makes it easy to experiment with new looks and ideas. This adaptability is particularly valuable in spaces like entryways or hallways, where smaller, interchangeable pieces can make a big impact. The impact of wall-mounted decor extends beyond aesthetics, as it can also serve functional purposes. In addition to shelving and lighting, items like wall-mounted hooks, mirrors, or organizers can enhance the practicality of your space while contributing to its overall design. For instance, a beautifully designed mirror can make a small room feel larger and brighter by reflecting light and creating the illusion of depth. Wall-mounted hooks can be both decorative and functional, offering a stylish way to hang coats, bags, or hats in an entryway. By choosing wall-mounted decor that combines form and function, you can create a space that is not only visually appealing, but also highly practical and efficient. Wall-mounted decor also offers the opportunity to highlight architectural features or draw attention to specific areas of a room. For example, a statement piece of artwork above a fireplace or sofa can anchor the space and create a focal point that ties the room together. Similarly, a gallery wall can add interest to an otherwise plain corridor or staircase, transforming it into a visually striking feature. By using wall-mounted decor to emphasize certain areas, you can guide the eye and create a sense of flow and structure within your home. Another advantage of wall-mounted decor is its ability to evoke emotion and inspire creativity. Art, in particular, has the power to provoke thought, spark conversation, and uplift the spirit. Surrounding yourself with pieces that resonate with you on an emotional level can make your home feel more meaningful and enriching. Whether it's a painting that reminds you of a cherished memory or a handcrafted piece that celebrates your cultural heritage, wall-mounted decor allows you to create a space that feels deeply personal and emotionally resonant. The process of selecting and arranging wall-mounted decor can also be a creative and enjoyable experience. It invites you to think critically about composition, color, and balance, challenging you to consider how different elements interact with one another and with the room as a whole. This process can be deeply satisfying, as it allows you to express your creativity and experiment with different styles and ideas. The act of curating your decor can also foster a sense of connection to your home, as you become more invested in its design and the meaning behind the pieces you choose. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked, unexpected wall-mounted wooden craft ideas to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.